Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about a Samsung app. So basically we are going to talk about an app that we use almost every day. We are going to talk about the beautification of that app. Yes, I'm talking about the keyboard app. So the keyboard app is something that all of us use every day. But don't you just get bored looking at the same theme? For Samsung, for a very long time, it has been white. But with the advent of the dark mode, it also came down to black. So white and black, those were the only options that you had. But recently, with a new good luck extension, Samsung has come up with something that allows you to theme your keyboard. Yeah, you can now set them to anything possible. It's basically, if I say that imagination is your limit, that would be a correct statement. So in order to theme the keyboard, you need three apps. The first one is the Good Lock app. The second is the Keys Cafe app, which you install through the Good Lock app. And also you have the theme park. So these three apps are needed. So first you should go in to your Galaxy store and download the Good Lock app. Once you download the Good Lock app, you need to go into the family section, and on top you will see the Keys Cafe app. Just go ahead and download that, and also download the theme park app. Once you're complete installing all of these apps, go ahead and open the Keys Cafe app. Inside your Keys Cafe app, there's a style your own keyboard option. So before you style your keyboard looks something like this. The simple keyboard that all of us are used to. But now, let's theme it. Let's jazz it up. Flip on the switch, and as you go in, now we are going to see the most basic way in order to theme the keyboard. So there are several options here, pre-install options, which you can select if you want and make use of those. And if coloring your keyboard, the colors on the keyboard is not your jam, then there is another options called effects. You can just change the effects on your keyboard. So basically these are lighting effects. In order to determine them, Samsung has given us three options. The first is the keyboard color effect, the second is the key color effect, and the third is the key motion effect. So the first one, the keyboard color effect, determines the lighting that happens on the keyboard behind the key. The key color effect determines the color of the key itself, and the key motion effect determines how the key will be moving when you press it. So let's look at the various options that Samsung has provided us. So when you look at this portion, you will see that there are several different patterns in which the lighting effects happen. So keep looking at them, and as I select each and every option, you'll see that there is a difference between each of them, and based on your taste you can select either of them. So these were the keyboard color effects. I personally prefer this one, so I will go ahead and select this one. After that, we talk about the key color effect. So take a look at how the options which Samsung has provided. I will select this one, and in the key motion effect, it's the way the key moves. So the second option is this, and the third option is this. So I will select this one. You can also change the colors which will appear on the keyboard. That is done through selecting this. There are several pre-installed options. You can select any one of them and make use of those, or you can create your own. You can select 4 colors at a time. So I may select green, I might select yellow, and I might also select pink. So now when I look at the keyboard, this is how it will look. So now you might select a single color. that is something which really looks very beautiful. So let's go ahead and remove all of these and just select the single green color. So this is how the keyboard looks. Isn't this just wonderful? You can even select red, for example. That is also a very good combination. Just select red and say OK. And this is how the keyboard will look. So this is just the basic of how to theme your keyboard. There are several other options. So in the next video, what I will do is I will show you how to theme your keyboard based on the wallpaper. We will customize every single key and try to make it our own. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Also add your comments below. As always, thanks for watching.